guys, today I'm going to show you how to make the ultimate chocolate. Dry ingredients here in the bowl, so I'm just going to get that to one side, get a larger bowl ready for my wet ingredients. Now I've just got a larger mixing bowl here. I'm just going to add 1 egg. I've got 60 ml of sunflower oil here. I'm just going to add that straight in as well. And I've also got 120 millilitres of whole milk, and I've just put a teaspoon of vanilla in it. But you can use buttermilk if you want. I'm also going to add 120 ml of hot coffee, and I've just put half a tablespoon of instant coffee powder in it. So just add that in as well. It will look a bit minging at first, but once you add it to your dry ingredients, it'll be fine. So I've got my wet ingredients here and my dry ingredients here. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to pour the wet ingredients into the dry, whisking it constantly, just until you've got a nice smooth batter. It will be really liquid though. I've just added all of my wet ingredients in now, and so this is like the finished batter, and it's really liquid. So just mix it until there's no lumps of flour or cocoa powder or just any pockets of anything in it really. I've got the finished batter and I've just poured it into a measuring jug, and I've weighed it out, so it should be about 750 grams when you do it at home. So I'm just using 2 6-inch cake pans here, and in each one I've greased it with oil and then put a circle of parchment around the bottom. But weight wise, in each one there's about 360 grams. So yeah, I'm just going to pop these in the oven now. Put these into my preheated oven now. I've just taken my chocolate cakes out of the oven. They're in there for about 30 to 35 minutes at 150. Just to check that they're done, just stick a skewer in it, and if it comes out clean, then it's done. I'm just going to leave them to cool in the tin for about 15 minutes, then I'm just going to turn them onto a wire rack until they're completely cold. So for the buttercream, I've got 350 grams of soft unsalted butter, and I've also got 650 grams of icing sugar. I'm just going to let the butter whip on quite a high speed for quite a while, because if you do that, it'll just make it a lot lighter in colour. But I'm going to be adding cocoa powder to this at the end, so it will be a chocolate buttercream. I've just got it off the cooling wire. It's completely cold now, and I'm just going to level the top with a serrated knife, just so when we stack them it's really just flat on the top. So in this bowl here I've got about 300 grams of white chocolate, and in this one I've just got a small amount of milk chocolate, and I'm just going to melt these in the microwave on about 15-20 second bursts, just until it's all melted. So I'm just about to do my chocolate collar now. I've got my cake out of the freezer and it's properly chilled, and I've got my 300 grams of melted white chocolate here, and I've got just a bit less in milk chocolate. So I've decided with the design that I want to do, I'm just going to get some on a spoon, get a bit of the excess off first, and then I'm just going to do a few lines back and forth. You can use a piping bag if you want, but just not much point. So I've got the white chocolate here, and the milk chocolate's just set up a little bit. I don't want it to be completely set though, or it'll just crack when I put it around the cake. So I'm just going to pour this onto here. So once you've got an even layer all over the acetate, what you're going to do is pick it up by the edges and just wrap it around the cake. The cake will be quite cold, so it'll sort of set the chocolate a little bit. Then what you're going to want to do is just put it in the fridge for as long as you can. So once you're happy with it on the cake, just go and put it in the fridge. Well, this is it, my ultimate chocolate cake. I hope you have a go at making it at home and you really enjoy making it. And if you do, tag me on Instagram at BakedByFinn. Bye!